Good morning, friends. Welcome to Option Achievers. Today we are going to see an important topic. This will be more interesting video for you. Come, let's get into Bank Nifty chart for 3rd September 2020. If you look at the chart, morning it opened somewhere else around 24,000. Then it started coming down slowly, and throughout the entire day it was trading around minus 200, which is 23,800, and slowly it is coming down. By 2:30 it is close to somewhere else around 23,700. Now we know that the Supreme Court verdict is coming around 2 p.m. and we also know that today is the expiry. These are the two major events that is going to happen for the Bank Nifty. Generally, when we want to do the lottery kind of trading, we always enter between 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Not 3 o'clock, just at least before 2 minutes before to 3 o'clock itself. So 2:30 to 2:55 p.m. we should enter into the lottery. What do you mean by lottery? You pay the money, the winning of chances is very less, which means around 1% or less than that. But if you win, for sure it will give you a benefit around 5 times or 10 times. So the chances of winning is very less. Then how much should I invest? Generally we invest only 1 lot or 2 lot. If you are a trader with capital less than 1 lakh. For a person who is having a capital of 1 lakh, 1000 is just 1%. So generally I would say whatever the capital that you have, from that just use only 1% of the money to buy the lottery. Say suppose if you invest entirely 1 lakh for the lottery, for sure today you would have win almost 10 lakhs. If you invest 1 lakh, you would have invested you would have vested around 10 lakhs. But will this happen all the time? It's a question mark. Because all the time on Thursday, Bank Nifty will not have any Supreme Court verdict or some other financial news or some other GDP indicator or something. So some financial good news or bad news should come. It can be good or bad, because we are going to trade in both call option and put option. Okay, now let's look at what we should do it. First rule, lottery entry time is only between 2:30 p.m. to 2:59 p.m. max, that's all. And what is the spot price that we should took it? In between 2:30 to 2:59 p.m. whatever the spot price, that you should consider, whichever is very close, that you should take. Here I have taken the spot price of 23,700. From the 23,700 you have to buy 1 lot or 2 lot of call option as well as put option. And when the price is exactly, the spot price is exactly 23,700, the price of that Bank Nifty is supposed to be only 15 rupees. Because 1 lot will cost you 15 into 25, that is almost 375 rupees. So you are going to buy 1 lot in put option, that is 375 rupees, and you are going to buy 1 lot call option, that is also 375 rupees. So your total investment for one lottery itself 750 rupees. You should not have only call option or only put option. You should have both side, both call option as well as put option. So your one lot of lottery will be costing around 750 rupees. There is no guarantee this 750 rupees will become double. There is no guarantee at all. At least 50% of the times this 750 rupees may go into zero. There is only less number or remaining 50% chance that 50 rupees, this 750 rupees will go into some higher capital. So now let us look how this 750 rupees investment, or in case if you would have bought 2 lots, your investment would have been 1500 rupees. How much your 1500 rupees is going to grow in a matter of 230 to 330? It's a matter of 1 hour. Let's look into the other chart. We were expecting the verdict news will come around 2 o'clock, but market did not have any expectations. So 2 o'clock, from 2 o'clock to 2:30, it did not go anywhere else. It was in the middle. Now let us look at this 23,700 put option. Almost from 2:30 to 2:59 or something, it met a low around 14.10. That is the lowest that it touched it today. So we were advising you to buy somewhere else around 15 rupees. Definitely you could be able to buy in this time. And after that, what happened? This 23,700 is growing much bigger. From 15 rupees, it doubled to 30 rupees. Again doubled 60 rupees. Again it doubled 120 rupees. And finally it reached the maximum of 204 rupees, and it was ending around 167 rupees. So now you know what is the meaning of lottery. You have invested just 15 rupees, and the price now that you get at end of the day is 167 rupees. So almost in a matter of 1 hour you are getting 152 points. In Bank Nifty, 152 points means 3,800 rupees. So this is what you are getting in a single day. Similarly, we can also look at 23,600. This made a low around 3 rupees 5 paise. It's below 5 rupees. If you would have bought this 5 rupees, it is folding around 10 to 15 times. The maximum it achieved is 114, and finally while ending at 67 rupees. In case if you bought this 5 rupees option, it made a high of 114 rupees, which means you are getting almost 105 points in Bank Nifty, which means your profit would have been almost 2,625 rupees for the investment of 125 rupees. So this is what multi-bagger or multi-folding profits. So will this happen all the time? It's a question mark. Now I am showing only this put option because today market went down. So in case if you have bought the same 5 rupees or 15 rupees in the call option, what would have happened to that 5 rupees? It would have become 0. Generally, why we are saying 5 rupees or 15 rupees is only that is the least amount that will be trading somewhere else near to 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Why we should buy before 3 o'clock? On the expiry day after 3 o'clock, there will be a lot of intraday squaring positions will happening, and there will be a lot of changeover, rollover will happen, and most of the volume quantity will happen around 3 o'clock. So we should be careful enough, and we should try to do it before 3 o'clock itself. That is what our motto is. And this I have shown you for Bank Nifty. We can do it similarly for Nifty also. Nifty we will be trying to purchase it only at this time, same 232, 259, and the price should not be more than 5 rupees to 10 rupees. Less than 10 rupees, less than 5 rupees only we do it. And ensure that this is a lottery. Lottery means you are just buying it just for a luck, and in case if the luck is happening, for sure you will win. If the luck is not in favor for you, you will lose the entire amount within 1 hour. And now the important part is, today the Supreme Court has done an inquiry, and Supreme Court postponed the same result for 1 more week, which means exactly the next week of same Thursday. So do you know what I am coming to say? Next week Thursday also Supreme Court is going to say something about this. So we are waiting for next Thursday. Are we getting the same Bank Nifty going minus 200 points or plus 200 points after 230? Then we are going to win for sure. So let us watch out. These things will happen most of the times when we have some good news or bad news that is going to happen around after 230 or something. So now the question is, how do I backtrack this cases? Because everybody want to backtrack it. Backtracking is something whatever happened in the past week that you want to test it based on this idea. So it's very simple. You will not have this call option, put option data for the past week and all. It may be little difficult, but for sure you will have a intraday data. So what you have to do is, in intraday you have to check all the expiry day chart. Once you get this expiry day chart, after 2:30 or after 2:45 p.m. there should be a gap down, sorry, not exactly gap down, but there should be a a sharp move either way. Either it should be positive way or it should be negative way. That should happen only after 2:30. If it is happening for sure either in Bank Nifty or Nifty, then this strategy is going to work out for you for sure. If there is no such sharp movement, for example Nifty means minimum 100 or 200 points. Bank Nifty means 200 points, 100 points is good. And Nifty is also similarly minimum 50 points to 100 points. If it is moved, for sure this lottery will work. So if you have time, go and check it before doing this lottery trading, and this is for sure it is going to help you all. Do the back testing before you do the live trading. This is just for an educational purpose. Thank you. See you in the next good video.